It's time for another Queen Cuisine. I decided to do something very quick. Some honey barbecue, chicken and shrimp skewers, along with some corn, country style, and can't forget that country style string beans too. The queen always makes sure she cleans all her food. You see what I'm saying? Even down to the shrimps. So with these shrimps, I gotta devein them. You see what I mean? Get them nice and butterfly looking too. Then as you see, I'm putting them on them skewers. My suggestion for the skewers is to first do one side of the head, then do the other side with the tail. Otherwise, you be poking yourself all over the place. Now it's time to season that shrimp with that paprika, onion, salt, Creole, no. Cut that chicken, cut it up, sit into nice bits. And then, of course, we're going to season it with paprika, onion, salt, garlic powder, Creole, and black pepper with this. Season it good. Now I'm going to throw the butter into it and make sure that the chicken in the shrimp is going into the butter. Butter, baby, butter. And splat, lay it right into it, turn it over, and check it. Now my string beans, corn, and also the barbecue sauce is doing good. I take the barbecue sauce and place it all over it. Now you want to put it into the oven and bake. Bake high 400 for about 15 minutes. Then broil high for additional 3. And voila. This is what you're going to get, something very quick and simple. You know, some chicken and shrimp, honey barbecue skewers with some country style corn and also some nice string beans. Hey, Diamond to Queen. Queen Cuisine.